Why should you ever log into Salesforce again? Maybe you never will.
This new agentic enterprise is a system of context, a system of work, a system of agency, and a system of engagement, all front-ended by Slack.
There's no way we could have built everything we've built and grown the way we have without Slack.
Slack is going to be the way that we pull together agentic workflows across the Salesforce ecosystem.
We don't have to build a new interface here. There's already one. It's just called Slack.
Anthropic largely runs on Slack. I feel like it's like the core OS of our company.
Now, multiplayer vibe coding, my whole team can contribute to the idea.
You don't have to be an engineer to create these incredibly powerful workflows.
Slack just continues to win. Nobody wants to try to compete and build a better version. Most cutting-edge teams are hooked on it.
Slackbot is the fastest growing feature I have ever seen at Salesforce, maybe in the industry.
I think Slackbot is magic.
Slackbot is the most powerful AI tool that we use at Mr. Beast.
It's not just a chatbot. It's pretty much a full-blown agent.
This is the most excited I've been to be in technology in my entire career.
The limitation now is creativity and imagination. It's not really a question of how to build the thing. It's a question of what you want to build.
Slack owns the market. Your customers are in there, so the decision is already made for you.
Time to buy some CRM stuff.
It's called the agentic enterprise, and it's f***ing great.